The next conflict management style that we're going to discuss is accommodating. Accommodating indicates a low concern for the self and a high concern for others, which often results in a lose-win scenario, where we are losing out and our conflict partner is winning the conflict. Generally speaking, accommodation is seen as being passive or submissive. And there are usually 3 reasons that we might accommodate in a situation of conflict. We might be feeling generous, we might be obeying the other person, or we might be yielding. If we are feeling generous, this means that we are accommodating because we genuinely want to. We want the other person to have their way. If we are obeying, that means that we don't have a choice but to accommodate. And if we are yielding, that means that we might have our own views and our goals, but we might give up on them due to fatigue or time constraints, or potentially because a better solution has been offered. So, because accommodating is often viewed as being passive and submissive, it's often viewed in a really negative light. However, accommodating can be really appropriate if, for example, our own goals won't be met. We know that there is little chance that we can accomplish our goals. We might accommodate if we don't have much to lose by accommodating. And we might accommodate if we feel like we are actually wrong. It might be through the conflict that we had one idea going in, realize that we are incorrect, and therefore accommodate to what the other person wanted. We might also choose to accommodate if we feel like our own needs could potentially affect the relationship in a negative way. Ultimately, just remember that accommodating happens when we have a low concern for ourselves and our needs, and a high concern for the needs of others, which often results in a lose-win situation.